Hi friends, welcome to First Foundry Cloud Labs. Today we're gonna discuss about how to build an agent force agent, a simple agent force agent. I will not be discussing about or I won't be explaining much detail about agents, topics or much things, but I'll simply show you how you can build a or you can start with the building an agent. Okay, so please do not expect any higher level explanation of this video. This will be straightforward with a simple step. Anybody can create a simple agent with the proper access and test it. Okay, yeah, let us move into the video. Okay, let us create the agent. So select new agent in the top right side. So this will open up our agent force studio. From here, we'll be able to create a different type of agents. Out of that, for the time being, I'll be selecting the service agent. Just selected the service agent, clicking on next. There are different standard topics available which Salesforce already configured. I'm not adding any of this. We'll be able to use this based on our requirement, but for this demo, I'm not selecting any of the topic. Selecting next after removing all the default topic selected. Okay, this is where we'll be naming our agent and providing the details, permissions, user connection, everything. As we are creating a support case support agent, we can just name as per that one, case support management agent. Any unique name you can provide, there is no restriction. Provide the description, role, company details, everything. This is nothing to do with the agent's behavior or anything apart from the naming. And the important configuration is agent user. So we must be selecting a user for the agent to work on. So this is the place where we'll be providing permissions for the agent. So how agent will work? If the agent want to perform anything on case, agent need access to the case. So where do we provide the case access? That will be to the user connected to the agent. So this is the option where we can connect. We can either connect an existing user, agentic user, which we have already created, or we will be able to create a new user for the agent. So let us create a new agentic user and we will try how that will be behaving. Let me click on next. And this is the option where we'll be able to select the data cloud, data lakes or data objects or libraries, data libraries. For our demo, we are not selecting anything. So I'm skipping this step and creating the agent. Let the agent create. Okay. So we are on the agent builder UI now. Let me just introduce this UI to you. In the left side, we will be able to see different options like topics, data, connections, context, language, events, everything. We'll be looking into the topics, the first section only. This is where we will be creating new topic, like what this agent have to do, how that agent, how to perform the actions. Everything will be performing under or adding under topics. In the middle portion, so when if you see the right side, we have a conversation preview. This is where we will be able to test the agent. after adding a topic and some actions, we'll be able to test the agent, okay, whether the agent is working properly, whether the agent able to understand what we are providing. So uh, when we are testing it and we want to see, okay, which topic it's executing, what was the response from the agent, everything we'll be able to see in the middle portion, like a debug log. How exactly agent works, we'll be able to see everything in the middle portion. So in the right side, we will be testing the agent. As of now, there is no topic. This agent won't be able to do anything. Even if you put anything, hi, can you get case details? Put, let us provide something. Let's see what agent will give us. I have opened one of the sample cases here and providing a case number. Most probably agent will say I am unable to type. Can you see, right? Because there is no topic or no actions. So this all are default behavior agent will do. So let us create a new topic and add actions to uh, agent. Okay, what do we want to do? I want to create a topic that will be fetch case detail. That. Okay, so I have provided so whenever we provide a case number or contact number, uh, the agent should be able to fetch that case detail and show it to the user. Okay. So the agent will automatically create the class description, scope, instruction, everything. We'll simply select as it is and click on next. Now this is the important part. So even though whatever we said, okay, agent you do, you get the case information, how the agent will get it? Agent needs some help there. That is we call actions. So for this action, we can create this action using different options. As in Salesforce, Apex we can use. We can use the prompt builder and we can also use some flows. Okay, so there are three different actions also created by Salesforce. You will be see different options. There are get case detail option standard. I'll just select this one and these two actions I'll just select it. This will help us to get the case detail from the uh, backend. Correct. Okay. Now this is we have added, giving a refresh to the preview because we have added a topic and action now. Now let us see. Okay, can you get details of this case? Let us see whether this will fetch it or not. Okay, can you see the agent mentioned could not find any details of the case number. But if you go and see, there is a case number. Why is that? Why? Because when I configured, I told you, right? So there is a user connected in the backend, and that particular user, whatever permission, how that for the user, based on that agent will work. Oh, so have we provided case access to that user? No, we haven't provided. So we have to provide that one. So let us go to the users, identify our user. Okay. So I have sorted based on the creation. This is the latest agent. I'll open this agent and you will be able to see the agent configuration. See the user license. It's an Einstein agent. A standard profile is connected. And if you go to permission set, there are two custom permissions that are already added here. So let us update this particular permission set and provide case access. Hitting it. So let us provide the viewer field, create permissions, read access to all the fields, and let us save it. Now let's come here. Let's just do a refresh and let's try. Can you get this? That's it. Now it fetches. Okay, they want contact details. Let's provide contact detail. Yes, can you see? The agent able to fetch the case detail successfully. So if you want to make any modifications or make the agent more dynamic, we should make the changes to this particular topic. We should add more classification, scope detail, specific instructions, and we should also add the corresponding actions so that the agent will be able to get it. Okay, done. So this is our first agent which we created. So this will be a base for you. Okay, you will get understanding, okay, how we can create just an agent and where all we need to make configurations. So higher level you can go further now. Okay, thank you all, thanks for watching.